Broodleaf Love on Etsy, and this short video is going to show you how you can make edits to a Canva template and to personalize it so that it's exactly the way you like it. So I'm going to assume that you've already purchased a Canva template from me and you have downloaded that file. So you need to open that file up. And one thing that's important to know is that you have to open this file in a document reader like Adobe Reader, or if you have a Mac, you can use Preview. Because if you don't open in a document reader, you're not going to be able to use the clickable links that will connect you to your template. So I'm on a Mac, so I just opened this in my Preview. And then you can choose a template size. Your file may look different than this depending on which one you purchase. This particular template has multiple sizes, so I'm going to choose 8 by 10, and you click on that link and you just follow the prompts and it's going to take you to Canva. Now Canva is a free program that you can sign up at canva.com if you don't already have. It's very easy to use and it's free. So this is what's going to happen when you have signed into Canva and it recognizes you. You're going to click on this purple button that says Use Template for a New Design, and it's going to open up in your Canva account. So when you first see this and you hover over things with your mouse, all of these things in purple boxes are things that you can edit. You can change the text, you can change the font, you can change the color. And it's very, very simple and easy to do. So let's click on this one here. And when you click on something, when you look at this menu up top, it's going to show you the font, the size, and a bunch of other things that you can do. So let's say that you want to edit this. You click on it and you can say whatever you like. Maybe you have a beach house. You can change that. Maybe you don't love this font here so much, so you're going to go up to this top menu and you can see all of the different fonts that you can use. I mean, there's so many. It really allows you to do just about anything. So see, this font is rather large, so you can come up here to this and you can change the font to be, something that you like. You can also drag things, move them around if you like. So how easy is that? Let's say you wanted to change this. Let's see this one. Maybe you want to change this one. You want to change that color. So you click on it, you go back up to this font menu, and this one, it says text color. You can change that to be, I don't know, red if you like it. It's really, really up to you. Click inside each of these parts and you can update these with information that is specific to your use. So you can change addresses, you can change information, you can do all of these things. And when you're ready and you're happy with what you have, you go up here to the top where it says share, you click on it, and you're going to hit download. And you can choose to download this as many different files, PNGs, JPEGs, PDF. Let's say you're going to do a JPEG because you're going to print it and put it in a frame. And then you hit download and give it a second and it's going to open up and it's going to be your file. So this is going to download to your downloads file wherever you happen to be. And there you have it. You can see exactly what you did. So thanks so much. Enjoy your template. Bye-bye.